Hello folks, I did a video today cooking macaroni and cheese and fried pork chops on my wood stove, and I went to post it to YouTube. My phone crashed, so I wasn't able to do it. I lost the video when my phone died, so I had to get me a new phone, but you can see the wood stove. It's going really good. We're at 325. I got hash browns and sausage. This is kind of a morning ritual we've been doing, and not to mention it tastes fabulous. I know I got some of these probably ready to flip. Oh yeah, some ready to flip. It's hard to beat good hash browns and sausage for breakfast. I don't have a terribly hot fire here, but you can see we're at 250 degrees in the oven. I don't have anything in the oven at this particular point, but we're just cooking up a little lunch here, and kind of a breakfast food, I know, but we really like having it this way. It makes for easy cleanup, and don't have to fire the propane stove up near as much. Thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. It's Off Grid Gary. Have a nice day. Bye.